Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Shuriken aka Button Dojo Daily Combo for October 2, 2024. Okay, the first card which is established legal is structure. Okay, this is the first one. And then for the second one which is C, okay, let's go here and find the card. Is C, this one. C, engage with influencer. This is the best card, second one. Okay, and then for the last card, go to, I think this one. Go up here. Oh, nothing. Go down. Yep. There we go. Yep. This one. So obtain legal opinion. This is the third best card. Okay. Here we go. This is the best 3 card and best